When you open the QMS app, you can see that there are two tasks that are pending. Upon clicking on Quality Inspection, you see the two tasks. You see that there are two rooms to inspect. By clicking on the board, you can see the blueprint of the Saniori. Saniori is a toilet. That means that you can add extra incidents on the blueprint or cancel incidents. You can then proceed to ratings. You can rate the floor on a rate from 1 to 5. Same goes with the soap dispenser and the toilet bowl. During that time, you can also add extra remarks in text form to specify what is more or less clean, and you can also add a picture. In case things are not so clean, this will make it more easy to create evidence for this. The final part that is part of this is managing the inventory. You can add extra inventory items, completely new types, or you can just increase certain items there. Afterwards, you can send it. The whole device is offline manageable.